Ethereum value equivalent to 34,216 rands a coin. The present cost range, 33,750, 34,476. The earlier day close, 33,866. The change was plus 350. Plus 1.03%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month, Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost 33,313 rands, high 35,645, low 30,981. Ethereum estimate on Friday, July 21, cost 33,024 rands, high 35,336, low 30,712. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost 33,181 rands, high 35,504, low 30,858. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, July 25, cost 32,672 rands, high 34,959, low 30,385. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost 30,957 rands, high 33,124, low 28,790. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, July 27, cost 32,608 rands, high 34,891, low 30,325. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost 32,501 rands, high 34,776, low 30,226. Ethereum estimate on Monday, July 31, cost 32,013 rands, high 34,254, low 29,772. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost 32,849 rands, high 35,148, low 30,550. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, cost 33,028 rands, high 35,340, low 30,716. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 32,745 rands, high 35,037, low 30,453. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost 33,140 rands, high 35,460, low 30,820. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 32,051 rands, high 34,295, low 29,807. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost 31,788 rands, high 34,013, low 29,563. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost 31,736 rands, high 33,958, low 29,514. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, August 10, cost 31,790 rands, high 34,015, low 29,565. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost 31,918 rands, high 34,152, low 29,684. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, August 14, cost 32,067 rands, high 34,312, low 29,822. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost 33,874 rands, high 36,245, low 31,503. In about a month Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, August 16, cost 34,169 rands, high 36,561, low 31,777. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost 33,410 rands, high 35,749, low 31,071. Ethereum gauge on Friday, August 18, cost 33,964 rands, high 36,341, low 31,587. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for November 2023. In the first place, cost at 32,084 rands, exorbitant cost 36,237, while low cost 31,495. The found the middle value of cost 33,421. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 33,866, change for November 5.6%. Ethereum gauge for December 2023. In the first place cost at 33,866 rands, exorbitant cost 39,972. While low cost 33,866. The found the middle value of cost 36,265. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 37,357. Change for December 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 37,357 rands, excessive cost 42,587, while low cost 37,015. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 39,190. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 39,801. Change for January 6.5%. Ethereum figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 39,801 rands. Excessive cost 49,401. While low cost 39,801, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 43,793. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 46,169. Change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 46,169 rands. Excessive cost 46,169. While low cost 39,267, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 43,457. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 42,223. Change for spring 8.5%. Ethereum figure for April 2024. Initially cost at 42,223 rands. Excessive cost 45,902. While low cost 39,896, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 42,730. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 42,899. Change for April 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 42,899 rands. Exorbitant cost 53,246. While low cost 42,899, the found the middle value of cost 47,202. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 49,763. Change for May 16.0%. Ethereum figure for June 2024. Before all else cost at 49,763 rands. Excessive cost 49,763. While low cost 41,993, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 46,668. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 45,154. Change for June 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 45,154 rands. Excessive cost 46,076.